Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the juicy idiom apples and oranges. It's a phrase we use when we're comparing two things that are so fundamentally different that a direct, meaningful comparison just isn't possible or fair. It's like trying to judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree. It just doesn't make sense. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. Comparing soccer and chess is like apples and oranges. They're totally different games. My phone and your laptop? Apples and oranges. You can't judge them the same way. Her painting style and his music are apples and oranges. They're just not comparable. Comparing a race car to a family sedan is apples and oranges. They're built for completely different purposes. The idiom apples and oranges is quite old, with roots that can be traced back to at least the 17th century. The core idea, however, has been expressed in various ways over time, such as chalk and cheese in British English. The phrase gained widespread popularity because of its simple, vivid imagery. Apples and oranges are both fruits, but they look, taste, and grow differently, making them a perfect metaphor for two items that share a category but are distinct enough to resist direct comparison. Use apples and oranges in casual conversations when someone is trying to make a comparison between two things that are inherently dissimilar, making the comparison irrelevant or unfair. It's a clear and concise way to point out that the basis for comparison is flawed. It's generally understood and appropriate for most informal and semi-formal settings. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.